birds can see UV lights. How animals see the world compared to humans? Well, even though some animals have better night vision than humans, but they might not be as good as humans for color detection. For example, dogs and cats don't see the world as colorful as us. But there are some species in Earth who see the world even more colorful than the humans. Bees and butterflies, they have 4 color cone eyes compared to human eyes that have only 3 color cones. There is even more interesting eyes. The shrimp eyes that has significant 16 color cones. It is not even comparable with the range of colors that human can see. Also, some animals like gecko have more powerful cones which can help them to see colors even at low light. But, what about birds' eyes? Recently, experts have discovered an amazing fact about birds' eyes. Birds have 4 color cone eyes as it has been seen in other animals before. However, birds are exceptionally sensitive to the colors and they can detect super wide range of colors. Experts testing several hummingbirds and they found that they can amazingly distinguish non-spectral colors, including UV light. Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed the video, and you want to watch more videos, please subscribe.